TrueLook's TrueAI empowers you to analyze your job site with a data-based lens, helping you make decisions to drive project efficiency and success. See TrueAI at work with the AI overlay on your live view. You'll see firsthand as it counts people and vehicles through your TrueLook camera. Detected objects are highlighted on your camera feed, giving you immediate insight into the site's activity. TrueAI also gathers data 24/7 from your camera and compiles it into the TrueAI dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of job site data by organizing activity into convenient charts. This can help you understand job site activity and improve operational efficiency. TrueAI creates a summary and forecast of people on the site. This can help you determine your site's busiest times and plan for the future. Gain a deeper analysis by filtering the dashboard by time frame and project. Review prior days on job sites for greater nuance and focus. Safety is the #1 priority at any job site. Ensure everyone is wearing proper protection with the assistance of PPE detection. TrueAI PPE notes if a person is wearing specific protective gear, such as a hard hat or high-visibility safety vest. As violations are corrected, you can track safety adherence using the PPE dashboard, which the graph shows the trend over time. We'll continue outfitting TrueAI with new enhancements to make managing the job site easier and safer. Stay tuned for new features coming soon.